Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to download TicketMasters on your Android device. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your App Store or Play Store. Type TicketMaster on your search bar. There you can see there is no TicketMaster app. Then after, go back. We will download it from Up-Down app. How to download that? Go to open your Google, then after type Up-Down App Store downloads. Then you can see on the first Up-Down app, tap on the first link you see, then download it from there. There you can see the option of latest version downloads. Tap on it and download it. I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. Go to Up-Down app. There, search apps. Tap on it. Search TicketMaster. Tap on it. Then there you see the option of TicketMaster LLC. There, tap on download. It may take some time according to your internet speed, so make sure your internet speed is fast. Then the blue download will turn to green. Tap on install. There you have to allow some settings, allow some permissions from Up-Down app. There are some restrictions, so you have to allow the permission by going to the settings and turn it on. Then after, there you will see this. Tap on install. Then there you can see this type of pop-out. Then tap on install. Then your TicketMaster app will be downloaded. There you can see the option of open. Tap on it. There you go. You have successfully downloaded your TicketMaster app. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.